Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at polynomials multiplication. Today's lesson will be a lot easier for you if you've completed the grade 9 polynomial videos. So let's do some recollections here. So a times b plus c is a times b and then a times c, like that. And we call that distribution. A times b, a times c, like that. And if it's a trinomial, it's a times b plus a times c plus a times d, like that. And so here 2x cubed times 3x squared, so 2 times 3 is 6, x cubed times x squared is x5, like that. And then in the grade 9 we practiced multiplication, distribution like this. So 3x times 2x squared is 6x cubed, 3x times 4x is 12x squared, and 3x times -1 is -3x. And so this particular skill, we are going to use a lot of that today. So if you're not able to do this if you're having difficulties with this, please look at the grade 9 polynomial videos. Okay, so let's continue. A plus b times c plus d, right? So before it was a monomial, now we're doing a binomial times a binomial, like that. And so this is an area model, a plus b times c plus d. We notice that it's a times c plus a times d plus b times c plus b times d, like that. And so this is usually the symbols, the drawing to help you out. It's a times c plus a times d, like that. And then you move your next finger over to b times c plus b times d, like that. Okay, so examples, multiply. So we start with the x times x, x squared, x times 1, x. Then we move over, 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 1, 2, like that. And so now we collect like terms, so x squared plus 3x plus 2, like that. Okay, I'm going to do lots of examples for you. So next, x times x, x squared, x times 3, 3x, -4 times x minus 4x, -4 times 3 minus 12. So we collect like terms, so x squared minus x minus 12, like that. C, 2x times 5, 10x, 2x times -x, -2x squared, 1 times 5, 5, 1 times -x, like that. And we usually want to write the polynomial in descending order, right? So -2x squared, 10x minus x is plus 9x, and then plus 5. Okay. D, 3 times 2x, 6x, 3 times y, 3y, -7x times 2x is -14x squared, -7x times y, -7xy, like that. And there's no like terms to collect. 3x times x, 3x squared, 3x times -1, -3x, -4 times x, -4x, -4 times -1 plus 4, like that. So 3x squared minus 7x plus 4. F, x times 1, x times -x, -x squared, -6 times 1, -6, -6 times -x is plus 6x. So -x squared, 6 plus 1, so 7x minus 6, like that. Last one, G, x squared times x, x cubed, x squared times -3, -3x squared, -4 times x, -4x, -4 times -3 plus 12, like that. Okay, time for some practice. Okay. So here are the first multiplications to do, a to f. Go ahead and pause the video and perform those multiplications. Okay, another last one here, G. Go ahead and pause the video and multiply. Okay, we're back. So I'm going to do these with you. So a, x times x, x squared, x times 2, 2x, 4 times x, 4x, 4 times 2, 8. So x squared plus 6x plus 8, like that. X times x, x squared, x times 1, x, negative 3 times x, negative 3x, negative 3 times 1, negative 3. X squared minus 2x minus 3. C, x times 2, 2x, x times negative x squared, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times negative x minus 5x, like that. We write in descending order, so negative x squared minus 3x plus 10. D, 2x times x, 2x squared, 2x times 2, 4x, 5 times x, 5x, 5 times 2, 10. So 2x squared plus 9x plus 10. E, 3x times 5, 15x, 3x times negative 2x, negative 6x squared, negative 1 times 5, negative 5, negative 1 times negative 2x is 2x, like that. And so we have negative 6x squared plus 17x minus 5. F, x times 4, 4x, x times negative x squared, negative 4 times 4, negative 16, negative 4 times negative x is 4x, like that. So we have negative x squared plus 8x minus 16. Last one, G, x times x, x squared, x times 2, 2x, negative 2 times x, negative 2x, negative 2 times 2, negative 4. And so this cancels out, so x squared minus 4 is our answer. Okay, so now we're going to do a binomial times a trinomial. It's just as easy. So you start with A, you go A times C, A times D, A times E. Move your finger over to B, B times C, B times D, B times E, like that. Okay, so I'm going to do lots of examples with you. So example number 2, multiply. So x times x squared, x cubed, x times x, x squared, x times negative 1, negative x. Move over the 2. 2 times x squared, 2x squared, 2 times x, 2x, 2 times negative 1, negative 2. And now we collect like terms, x cubed, 1 plus 2, 3x squared, negative 1 plus 2, x, and then negative 2 remains like that. Okay, B, x times 3x, 3x squared, x times 2y, 2xy, x times 4, 4x. Move over here, negative 1 times 3x, negative 3x, negative 1 times 2y, negative 2y, and negative 1 times 4, negative 4, like that. And so the only thing that collects together is this 4 minus 3, which gives 1, like that. Okay, C, 3x times 2x squared, so it's 6x cubed, 3x times negative x, negative 3x squared, 3x times negative 1, negative 3x, like that. Move over to the 2. 2 times 2x squared, 4x squared. 2 times negative x, negative 2x. 2 times negative 1, negative 2, like that. And then we collect like terms, so 6x cubed. This becomes 1x squared. This becomes negative 5x, and minus 2 remains. D, 2 times negative x squared, negative 2x squared. 2 times 2x, 4x. 2 times 3, 6. Move the finger over. Negative x times negative x squared is x cubed. Negative x times 2x is negative 2x squared. And negative x times 3, negative 3x. And so now we simplify. We collect like terms. So x cubed, negative 2 minus 2, negative 4x squared. 4x minus 3x is 1x plus 6, like that. Okay, time for some practice. Practice number 2. Go ahead and pause the video and perform these multiplications. Okay, x times x squared, x cubed, x times 2x, 2x squared, x times 1, x. Move over to the 3. 3 times x squared, 3x squared. 3 times 2x, 6x. 3 times 1, 3, like that. Collect like terms, x cubed, 5x squared, 7x, and 3, like that. B, x times 2x squared, 2x cubed. X times negative x squared. X times 3, 3x. Move finger over. Negative 2 times 2x squared, negative 4x squared. Negative 2 times negative x is plus 2x. Negative 2 times 3 minus 6, like that. Collect like terms, 2x cubed. This becomes negative 5x squared. This becomes 5x, and negative 6 remains. C, 2x times x squared, 2x cubed. 2x times negative y, negative 2xy. 2x times 4, 8x, like that. Negative y times x squared, negative x squared y. Negative y times negative y plus yx squared. Negative y times 4, negative 4y, like that. D, 1 times negative x squared, negative x squared. 1 times 2x, 2x. 1 times negative 1, negative 1. Move the finger over. Negative 3x times negative x squared plus 3x cubed. Negative 3x plus 2x, negative 6x squared. Negative 3x times negative 1 is plus 3x, like that. And then we collect like terms, so 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 5x minus 1, like that. And then E, x times 3x squared, 3x cubed. X times negative x squared. X times 4 plus 4x. 5 times 3x squared plus 15x squared. 5 times negative x, negative 5x. 5 times 4 plus 20. Collect like terms, so 3x cubed, 14x squared. This becomes negative x and plus 20. And that's it. It's that simple. I'll see you guys in the next video.